Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, happy Friday to you. What we have here is a vintage FEHR'S beer serving tray that you would have seen. It serves as advertising as well. Take a look at some great content. The king giving his queen, or American queen, something going on there. But anyway, they're cheering some FEHR'S beer. So if you are into Bruania or FEHR'S beer in general, or just like tin cool signs, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.